Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Decoded. My name is Hansit Dudeja. I'm working as Technical Architect SD4 at Adobe, and here I present day 19th of June Leetcode Challenge. The problem that we have in today's search suggestion systems. It's a very interesting problem based on the concept of tree maps, and to your surprise, for all those who have been associated with the channel may know that we already solved this question in the month of May last year, and I have clearly explained the approach in this question along with the test case iteration. And in case you're not aware of tree maps are special kind of maps that internally create a binary search tree while storing data in a sorted order in a map. So when you want to apply sorting on the basis of key values on any map, you should go for tree map kind of an approach. And now you will ask me, guys, how can you revise more questions of tree map? Then I'm there to help you up. So if you go and check out Coding Decoded SD revision sheet, there you will see binary search technique listed playlist wherein it covers regular binary search, it covers range based binary search, and it covers tree set / tree map kind of a problems. So if you can go and check this out, you will yourself see that here there are plenty of questions listed on the concept of tree map / tree set. And guys, do try patient sort. It's a very interesting problem wherein you are able to identify longest increasing subsequence in time complexity of n log n rather than or time complexity of n square. So over to you guys. The sheets are mentioned in the description below. Do check them out, and I promise you guys, after going through this video, tree maps or tree set would be on your tips. Thank